Hi guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering a beginner cookie decorating technique called quilting. And essentially all quilting is, it's where you outline and flood one section of the cookie and then let that dry for a little bit before you outline and flood the section next to it. This essentially creates a natural division between the two sections of icing. So you'll see on these kissy lip cookies that we're going to outline and flood the top lip first and let that dry for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the weather, the humidity where you live. And then once that is set, it doesn't have to be completely dried, but set, we're going to outline and flood the bottom lip. And you'll see when the cookie is finished, essentially it creates a division between the two lips. So you can see the defined top lip and bottom lip. And it just gives a little more depth and detail to your cookie without you having to go in later after it dries and draw the physically draw a line between the top and bottom lip. So it looks a little more realistic. This technique can be used in all sorts of scenarios. To create really detailed character cookies. You can also use it to create a cookie that actually looks like a quilt. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.